Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can draw a curved line in Microsoft Word. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. First is we need to open Microsoft Word, so go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. Then from here, let me just quickly, okay, so look at the ribbon at the top, and here you will find the Insert tab. Click on that. Click on Shapes, and let's put a line first. So this line will serve as our base on drawing the curved line. Okay, so once you have added the straight line, go back to the Insert tab, and here you will find Shapes. Click on this drop down, and for the lines, here you will find this one, Curve. So click on that. And here's the thing that we need to do. We need to start from here at the tip of the line on the left side. Okay, so let's start. You will find this plus sign symbol. Now let's start from the tip, and then let's drag this upwards. Now in order to make this curve, so as you can see, if we're going to move this downward or try to make a curve by moving the cursor, it will not make a curved line. So the trick for here is you need to press this curved line, draw this upward, and then press the left click on your mouse. Again, press the left click on your mouse until you will find this at the uh, turning point. Okay, so once you have pressed the left click, you can see this will form a curved line. Now, if I am not going to press the left click, we cannot form again another curved line. Okay, so we need to press the left click up to the tip of the line, and then we can create another curved line. Okay, as you can see. And if I'm not going to press the left click, obviously we cannot do another curved line. So we need to press the we need to press the left click, again it's left click of our mouse at the turning point, and then it will form a curved line. And if you want to stop it, just simply click on that. And that's it. That's how you can easily draw a curved line in Microsoft Word. You just have to remember that you have to press the left click at the turning point for your curved line and as to where you are going to stop your curved line, okay? And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.